Week 13, it's Tuesday. I'm about to start working on fitting the bottom. So the first thing I'm going to have to do is plane the chine log. So let's do it. That's good enough for me. I'm going to draw a line here so I know the area I need to sand with 60 grit to get a better bond. I put one screw through the bottom panel to the stem so it allows the whole bottom panel to swing. Then I have aligned the center line of this panel with the center line of the bulkheads. And now that everything is aligned, I'm going to make two holes, one here, one there. That will form the triangle that will prevent this from shifting. Now the boat is assembled and the bottom panel is placed there. I'm gonna mark the real shape of the boat and I'm gonna cut it with the jigsaw. That will be a lot easier than having to sand this down to the panels later on. Have a look at the real shape compared to the one marked from the drawing. Inside of the chine logs, outside on the plywood. And I'm glad the drawings go for 20mm offset, because look here, I've got 3mm there. Let's grab the jigsaw. And now I'm going to sand it with 60 grit. That's the gap for the sidearm. There's no wood under there. And it's time to glue the bottom panel. I predict another glue panic since I'm going to do this on my own. I only have 2.5-3 hours tops to finish it, so it's going to be quite a race. Still don't know exactly how I'm going to do it, but I think I'm going to lift half of it, put the glue in, screw it down, and then lift the other half and put the rest of the glue in. Because it's 25 degrees now, that gives me less than 30 minutes spot life. Yeah, should be fun. boat is upright again. Sorry I don't have any footage of me cleaning the squeeze out inside and all that, but the camera stopped recording because the card was full and I had too much resin on my hands and that was already getting way hard, so I couldn't waste like 20 minutes emptying the card. But I'll show you later. I have kind of rounded the boat for now. This is more or less the shape I want, not pointy. So I can actually close the door now, and the boat is strategically placed, so if I have to go on that side, I can go around it, which is better than going under it or over it. Rainy season is coming, so it's important that I manage to close this. By the way, since I was working with 2.5 meter panels, side panel joint is only like 1 inch shifted from the bottom joint. I hope my goat doesn't break in half. Anyway, you might have noticed that I did not cut any limber holes on any of the bulkheads, and that's for a good reason. Here I'm gonna create a bigger compartment, watertight, with locked hatches, so I can store some gear in there and I don't have to keep carrying all the time to the car and back. So I don't need limber holes there. And I didn't cut any limber holes on bulkhead 2 either, because I want it to be kind of dryish as much as possible. So unless I capsize, then everything will have water, but I don't want any splash water going on that compartment. So yeah, no limber holes on my goat. Next week I'll start working on the center case. Which looks kind of okay for now. If I have time, I will also start to work on the deck and the rear seat and mid seat maybe. Let's see how it goes. I have to change the structure a bit underneath because I want a big hatch on this deck and I want another big hatch on the top of the rear seat. Mast partner still needs to be done as well. So yeah, there's a lot to do next week. I haven't had much time lately. I only worked again around 8 hours this week. Hopefully I will have a bit more time on the next week. So any thoughts, comments, please leave it on the comment section below and give it a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe. See you next week.